hunting adventure. So this is where we'll be staying. Yeah, this is the old camp. And this is one of the beautiful ladies that will be cooking for us. So right here we just put our things, and I want to ice some drinks now. I have 1 pack of drink over there. Okay, one is coming. Guys, you know Ayo now in the last adventure. So she's here again with us. And yeah, they'll be cooking over there. Let me just show you guys around so you can see. Another Lagos follow. Alright, so some of our things are still there. Yeah, we'll be cooking over here. We want to cook beans and corn now. Yeah, the things we're cooking are done. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, ẹ ti ṣe àgbàdo yẹn.
A ti ṣe.
Wow.
A ti yín, ó wà ní bucket.
Okay.
This
is corn. This is corn. I think beans. Yeah.
This is the beans.
This is beans. This is gari.
This is rice.
We'll be making a bar later in the evening. But firstly, the hunters are going to eat beans and corn once they come out from the bush. They've already gone inside. And this is me. Hi. So they've gone inside the bush. We'll be here waiting for them. The ladies will be doing the cooking, and I will help the way I can. I'm a bit sick. I'm battling malaria at the moment, but I'm going to help in the way that I can. But now I'm hungry. Like, I am super hungry. I need to eat first, then I do whatever I want to do later. I mean, this place is really beautiful. I love it. See, this is really nice. I love the way they did this thing. The cover is so nice. So they cleared the spaces as well. So some people are going to be here. You know, we have this whole place to ourselves. So this is nice. It is very nice. This is my food they got for me this morning. I haven't eaten, and I need to use my drugs. The food was from the place. They got it when coming to this side with asun, shrimp fried rice, asun fried rice, and more asun. That's a show. For the beans, and this is the beans. And that is Ogun tree over there. He's making spatula, the local one. We forgot.
Tony stick, you don't feel.
We forgot the one we're supposed to use. So he's making a new one.
This is meaning that Babari Ado Afon Beshebo or really. If we don't do it like this, we may not see any Tony stick to use. That is why I'm making this. And this one is going to be strong.
Yeah.
And very strong, and the durability will be okay.
So even after this use, we're going to take it home so we can be using it for other ones that we might do later.
I beg you, lady. Oh, one, two.
Hold on. Take me your phone. Me your phone, Aluyo. Your one will live.
And our beans is ready. Beans and corn.
I was the one that put everything that makes it to be men. Dozing of water.
Show me la job, one.
But the house now, I love it.
Mayflower.
So you pour it on this thing because we need to use the pot again. And it's already that, even that what's it called? That bucket is full with beans, and we still have more in the pot. So we want to wash the pot so we can use it for other things like eba. Yeah, to make eba, because we are still going to eat eba this night. So we have beans and we're going to be having eba as well. So I'm a little small tray on the phone.
And then I bet so you know. That's it. That's all you know. Go wood there.
That's the remaining one. So we have this big one, that one, this small one.
How?
And we have over 100 unties. This might not be enough, but we'll just be giving them little by little. So there's some people, like they came fully prepared. Like see those people over there, they have their mosquito nets, their mats and everything. And he's actually busy doing suya. That's it over there. He's doing suya there. So I can't wait for the rest of us to come and see what some of them prepared. They're still in the bush. They'll be out of the bush in less than 1 hour. So we're waiting for them.
So bad do one nala.
Baba ya mi mo won. Inu oníṣẹ́
No share binio.
Content no. Eka to le ni.
Antenna. On your ile mi ni.
Check it out.
So everybody have eaten. They made a bar. This is the bar, a full sack of the bar. We're about to make a wedu and then stew. They are washing meat. This is the meat they are going to cook. So this one, they will eat it tonight and then tomorrow morning. So we're making white rice tomorrow morning. And they're eating the bar again. They already ate beans. So this is the one they're going to eat again this night. Good morning. So everybody are waking up one by one. There are some people still sleeping. It's still a bit dark. It's currently past 6, but some of us are awake and washing is already going. We're about to start cooking. There's still stew in this pot. There's still stew. It's still dark, so you can't see it. Like it's like half of this pot. They're still there. So we want to transfer it into the bowl that she's washing. Then we'll use this pot to cook white rice this morning. So the hunters, they can get something to eat before they go into the bush this early morning. I think they'll leave here around 10 to go into the bush. So food have to be ready and they have to eat before to leave. I want to go brush my teeth, but firstly I need to get somewhere to pee. Yes, I need to pee. The day is now brighter. We're washing the plates. Some of our plates got missing again. I had to go pick them up from some other places. We want to start cooking rice. There's water in the pot now. And we transferred the stew into this bath. Yeah, this is the stew. So it should be enough for the rice that we're making. They said we should make eba as well. So after cooking this rice, we will make eba. I think we brought about 15 plastics of rice, the Congo that we usually use to measure. So this pot, I was told it can't cook all the 15, so we'll be cooking 12 in this, and there's one other small pot, we'll be cooking 3 in that one. We'll do 2 stand. There's 1 stand here. Yeah. There's 1 stand here, so we'll make the second rice here. And then we'll make eba later. My husband. Auntie AY. Well done, no?
In Neverland. See my effective. No be shaking, no. Use that plate. No be shaking, no. Come out. Put them. Tear them now. I know you get them. Mr. Tiny, can you explain to us how you kill them? I will not. Can I explain? You can do it. I believe you.
Mr. Tani ran home yesterday.
Can I explain? Okay, tell us the story. Uncle, please tell us the story. I was looking for my cap. Black cap. Is it the black cap? The black cap. The magic black cap. How did you do it? Wave it like this.
Share this thing now. I want to see your reaction. Share this thing now. And you don't know where to start from.
Okay, that thing touched you.
Share it now. Now me, Zabi no be with.
We're about to start grilling. So he's making shish with this, and then we're going to put it on that grill stand, our usual hunting grill stand. Killer is making the grill stand here.
Inter, they are sharp scorers. On play.
Sorry. Yay! It's time for them to go hunting. Some of them have already worn their uniforms. The uniforms was not enough for everybody. Like we made I think 47 uniforms, and we have over 100 hunters here. In fact, yesterday they were really angry that not all of them were able to get the uniforms, but there's nothing we could do about it. Now they're getting ready. This is one of the uniforms, and there's some over there as well, and it's actually very nice on them. I wasn't expecting it to fit them this way, but it is super nice. We really tried to get their measurements, but we were only able to get I think about 12 measurements, but we just used that 12 to sew everything. So some of them, the uniform might be bigger on them, yeah, but they are still wearing it. Hunting. They are all back.
You came back early. Yes.
We've washed all the things we used. Just as some here that we're going to put in the car. We still have eba, like a lot of eba left. This is over 12. Whoa, this is huge. Yes, sir. They're still bringing more animals. Oh, this is some.
Bọ̀tẹ́ tún méjì kan ṣì wà tọ̀ kó sọ́dọ̀ wọn bàbá.